IDEALharvest is a premium automation available on Ideal. To use it, press the combine icon on the top right part of the home screen, then press the Harvest Mouse button on the menu. This page shows a drop-down menu in the top of the screen. You will have the possibility to switch from Harvest Plus to IDEALharvest. We will go through Harvest Plus on the dedicated video. Select IDEALharvest and click on the green tick. Set the minimum and maximum speed, which is the range within Ideal will automatically change the speed. Touch the value you want to adjust. A window pops up and you can write the desired value. On the top of the window, you can see the minimum and maximum value available. Click then on the green tick to confirm. Now set the target load of the elevator using the first horizontal bar. Ideal will increase or decrease the ground speed to meet this target accordingly to the speed range previously defined. Set the value accordingly to the scale underneath. Avoid performing with the target load exceeding the green zone. Touch the bar and adjust it using the scroll wheel on the right side of the terminal. Now set the target response rate using the second bar to determine how aggressively ground speed will respond to a load variation. Our suggestion is to keep the company setting at 5. Touch the bar, then adjust it with the scroll wheel on the right side of the terminal. On the bottom part of the view are shown the 4 columns in which you can see the adjustment of the system. Now you have to decide which premium strategy you want to use between those listed on the right. The first icon on the top right is the one to connect the Smart Connect app using the iPad. See how to use it on the Smart Connect app video tutorial. The second icon refers to the balance strategy. By touching it, Ideal will target to balance losses, broken grains, and reducing material other than their grain. Third icon is the minimum losses strategy. Ideal tries to reduce losses at the minimum. Fourth icon is optimized grain quality. With this one, Ideal maximizes the sample quality. The icon with the rabbit maximizes the throughput. By activating it, Ideal focus on reaching the target load to maximize the throughput of the combine. In this case, to activate the balance premium strategy, just click on the icon and IDEALharvest will take over. To engage the automation, push the joystick on the right and keep it for 2 seconds while pressing the consent button with the combine running faster than 1 km/h.